Today we're going to take a look how to draw inside shapes here in Illustrator. Back in the days when I didn't know how to do it, I used to create a rectangle, and of course I used to create the shape in which I wanted to create the design. So for example, this is it, and I went to the Pathfinder and click on minus front, and then under this layer I used to creating the designs I wanted to make. So now I'm going to show you the right approach. For example, I'm going to select the star, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a star. I'm going to press the down arrow, so this is going to remove the spikes from the star. I'm going to press and hold Shift, select the direct selection tool. I'm going to make it rounded. All you need to do is go here to this icon, and these are the drawing modes. You can press the Shift plus D to switch modes, and all we need to do is select the draw inside. And for example, you can select the pen tool and start drawing whatever you like. And this is going to make the shapes inside of the triangle. Let's do another one. And you can go creative. This is basically some extension from the clipping mask. And of course, if you want to recustomize the shape, for example, I can double click on this triangle path. I'm going to select it and check this out. It is going to highlight the triangle, and I'm going to increase the stroke, for example. And if I want, I also can select this shape right here, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and do some tricks on it. Maybe blend both of them. Or you can select the direct selection tool right here, select a shape if you want to recolor it, for example, and that's how simple it is. Or just double click on the shape and select it, and there you go, it's going to highlight it like this. Also, if you double click 2 times or just double click once, and you can work with the shape. And if you want to release these shapes, all you need to do is select the shape, right click, and release clipping mask. And this is going to separate everything on the composition. And that's how you draw inside the shapes. Thanks for watching.